Hey there, my name is Dr. Brad Deacon. Thank you for investigating our office. Now, one of the first questions that we get about our office and how we care for people is, what are the fees? Now, the fees in our office are based on how we care for people. And everybody comes with different issues. Some people have disc bulges, disc herniations, spinal stenosis, scoliosis, spondylolisthesis. There's a million different reasons why people seek non-surgical spinal decompression, because it really is a game changer if it's done properly. Now, we offer what are called care plans, and each care plan is based on what the person comes to us with. But the average cost for care plan ranges anywhere from $3,500 to as much as $9,000. And most people fall in the first third of that tier. So usually from around $3,500 to like $4,500. And we always start patients off at a minimum of 2 to 3 times per week, because we have to do that if we're going to change spinal structure. We don't want to just make a person feel better, because pharmaceutical products can do that. We want to have a measurable change on structure and prove it on x-rays. We want to have a measurable change in function on the nerve scanner, but we also want to make a person feel remarkably better than what they do now. So again, our care plans range from $3,500. Most people are around $4,500. We start at 2 to 3 times per week. But also, please understand, we're a very sought after office in Ontario. We do very, very special work here, and we can prove what we do. As such, sometimes we have a 6-week waiting list. People are really seeking care. We get referrals from orthopedic surgeons, from regular physicians, from patients that are already in the clinic that have had massive results. We have a very big waiting list often. So we ask, if you're considering care in our office, that you do not book an initial assessment unless you're serious about care. We want to help those people that have more serious issues, but also those people that are serious about having their issues fixed, not just investigating. We can help you find somebody that's more suitable if you're just investigating. We want to look after those people that are very, very secure in what they want, and they're very, very intent on fixing the problems they have. If you have any other questions, please poke around our website. You might be on it right now. It's burlingtonspinaldecompression.ca. Or if you have to give us a call, you can give us a call at 289-337-9969 to ask our admin staff any questions that I may not have answered. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.